French recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make amazing gingerbread and chocolate chip cookies made with this baking mix here. They are soft in the middle, a little bit crunchy outside, filled with holiday flavors and tons of chocolate chips. They are gonna be a must in your house this winter. To make this recipe, we are going to use the gingerbread and chocolate chip cookie mix for my French recipe. We are going to use 1 egg and 2/3 of a stick of butter sauteed. Today I'm going to use the KitchenAid with the paddle attachment, but you can absolutely mix with your hands. It's something fun to do with the kids. And finally, I'm gonna need a baking pan coated with parchment paper. Okay, if we are ready, let's start the recipe. First, I am going to open the mix here and pour it in the mixing bowl. It smells amazing. Then I add the butter in pieces, and then I'm gonna start the pattern. I'm gonna crack the egg and add the whole egg and paddle again until combined. Once you get this texture, when it's combined, it's supposed to be a little bit sticky, then we are good and we stop the mixing. We don't want to overmix. Now we can take the batter and mix a little bowl with a spoon like this and put it on the baking pan. You can use ice cream scoop here, or you can use a regular spoon. It works perfectly fine. Okay, here they are 12 minutes after in the oven, and I let them cool down really well so they can harden a little bit. And here they are, they're still warm, they smell fantastic, they are chewy in the middle, nice chocolate, gingerbread flavors. This is good. Thank you for following along the recipe with me. I hope you will love them like me. See you soon on myfrenchrecipe.com.